What skills do you need as a human biologist? This is the question we seek to answer today. Indeed, there are several skills which you need as a human biologist in order to be successful. One of such skills is investigative skills. Through your investigative skills, you have the capacity to dig deeply to answer questions with special reference to the life of the human being. In fact, you need to have the capacity to gather data and generate insights to reveal important scientific facts. As a human biologist who has investigative skills, you can afford to identify problems, ask appropriate questions to better understand the problems which you may identify. Then you have the capacity to assess potential risk involved in solving those problems and define potential or expected outcome or results of your activity. Such skills you need to have, and we refer to them as investigative skills. Another skills which you need is research or quantitative skills. As a human biologist, you are expected and required to use research and quantitative skills to define problems and design experiments to test hypotheses. You should have the capacity to use tools in the laboratory to conduct research in order to test hypotheses. As part of the research work, you as a human biologist should have the capacity to record your observations and interpret results. You should be able to make use of statistical tests to predict outcomes. And talking about statistical skills, you will realize that another skills that you need is analytical skills. Yes, you need to acquire analytical skills to be able to examine the component of problems or ideas and reason logically to know more and to understand what is happening at any point in time. You should be able to group data to make sense of it in order to help you in organizing ideas and information. Talking about information, when you are able to generate information or ideas, you should be able to communicate them. And so another skill that you need is referred to as communication skills. In actual fact, not you alone. All human biologists depend on their communication skills to disseminate information they have uncovered through their research work. They also need sound communication skills to be able to help lead their project teams successfully. They use their communication skills to write research proposals, summarize research findings, and apply for research grants. Yes, you need communication skills to be able to write research proposals, summarize your research findings, and apply for research grants. You need to have the capacity to indicate and explain or elucidate complex information or ideas to both technical and non-technical audiences. Again, you will need to have strong oral and written communication skills. Yes, the communication skills that you have, it should be both oral and written. You should have the ability to write very well and the ability to speak fluently. It is a skill that you need as a human biologist. These are the four major skills that you need: the investigative skills, research or quantitative skills, analytical skills, and communication skills. But these are not all. Other skills that you need include ability or capacity to motivate team members, acceptance, adaptability, collaborative skills or teamwork, compassion, confidence, what we call diligence or assiduousness or meticulousness, the skill of directness, emotional stability and intelligence, empathy, independence, initiative, the ability to take initiative, intellectual curiosity, leadership skills, and tenacity of purpose, or you should have determination, ability to persevere Even when there are difficulties, when you face challenges, you should be able to push through. These are the skills that you need as a human biologist. Thank you very much for listening. We sure will meet again. Bye bye.